I'm Erin Brewer, and I teach multi-occupations at BOCES Career and Tech Center.
Topics or units that we cover in multi-occ include setting goals, professionalism, safety at work, balancing work and personal life, filling out forms, and the job hunt. We also try to cover a little bit of sewing if possible, surviving the first 90 days of a new job in a video series, and mental wellness. Some skills that we focus on in the building include clerical, such as making copies, stuffing envelopes, answering the phone, organizing records, and shredding. And we also do some cleaning duties throughout the building, including sanitizing, cafeteria duty, which would be cleaning up the cafeteria after breakfast and lunch, sweeping, and learning how to properly wash windows.
Multi-occupations is a work-based learning program, and we do things like job skills, we do professionalism, we talk about safety in the workplace, and the big component of this program is we do internships throughout the year at different sites.
Our internship sites provide many opportunities for students to learn and practice 21st century skills for success in the workplace. All of them include attendance and time management, ability to follow instructions, communication skills, and initiative. Working at the Root Farm, we focus on acceptance of responsibility, having a positive attitude, and on the job, not on the phone, which all carry through to the next internships. At the Root Farm, we have done things such as harvesting fruits and vegetables, bottling and labeling their honey, picking apples and learning how to make cider, and just overall helping with the daily duties around the barn, including planting and cleaning. Working at Uno and Texas Roadhouse, the 21st century skill we tend to focus on is acceptance of supervision. We do things like folding the pizza boxes, filling salt shakers, and organizing the sugar packets, and doing a lot of cleaning and sanitizing. And at Texas Roadhouse, we do a lot of portioning and some food prep. At the Hampton Inn, we focus our 21st century skill on personal appearance because that's the first time we're working around the public. We do lots of sanitizing, sorting and folding towels. We also pair with housekeepers to learn how to do various daily tasks, as well as organizing the dining area. At Feed Our Vets, we focus on helping our community. We do things like sorting food, dusting and stocking the shelves, and storing food on pallets when the food is not needed to be put out on the shelves yet. At JK, it's a culmination of all the 21st century skills that we've learned, working with the public and accepting responsibility, being on the job and not on our phones, things like that. We do things like dusting down in the display area and washing windows and mirror displays. We organize things up in the offices. We have shredded, we organize and file invoices and prep work orders. At Wilcor, the 21st century skill that we focus the most on is teamwork because we are all working together as a team, doing things like counting, sorting, repackaging, learning how to properly open and close boxes, labeling and loading pallets properly as well. And at the Utica Public Library, it's again a culmination of the 21st century skills that we've talked about throughout the year. We do a lot of prepping for their summer reading program. We do counting out flyers and prepping the bags. We clean the cafe and take inventory. We do a lot of dusting and organizing on the shelves, learning how to discard books and put away books and DVDs. And we also work on the display cases and bulletin boards for the summertime.
So for more information, please visit the CTE website and the program guide. Feel free to call or email with any questions.